Alright, y'all, I'm back again. You know who it is, Mr. Elwood Video. So that's what I'm doing today. Get ready to stir up some things here. So we're gonna call this chicken stew. chicken, yeah, something like that. Yeah. So we doing here. We got the corn, got some onions. Oh yeah, yeah. You know, we can call it the chicken bowl. Yeah, we can do that. So that's what I'm doing right now. Get ready to cut things up. So alright, I'm showing y'all the beginning, but I'm gonna be back in a few and show y'all what I'm doing. So stand by. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all see what I'm doing there. I got my chicken in here sauteing. Look at it. Yeah. Got a good picture there. Alright. Yeah, that's gonna be my yes tonight. Yes. Alright, y'all. I'm showing y'all what I'm doing right now, but okay. Stand by. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. I'm showing y'all the midway through there. Having some peppers in here. Check them out. Yeah, good to go, y'all. I know y'all look good, don't look at it. Yeah, got it up close view. Then I'm gonna bring it back for y'all. Okay. Alright, y'all. Y'all stand by. Got some other stuff great cooking there. You got an idea what I cook, you know what it is. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, look what I got in here now. You know I'm doing it up. The chicken bowl is about to get started. Alright, y'all, but you stand by. I'll be right back with that finishing touch. You see what I got on the other side now? See what I got, right? Hold on, let me put that on there. Yeah. Yeah, you know you got to have that rice in there. Steaming, ain't it? Woo! Okay. But I'm going to be right back with y'all with that finishing touch, so stand by. Alright, y'all. I'm back now. Check it out, y'all. This is the finishing touch of the video. You see how I do it, right? Alright, y'all. That's what I do. Alright, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit all post notification. If you're new to my page, don't forget to share this video. Alright, I'm out. Peace.